The Zox 20 is not as low as a traditional recumbent tricycle. You don't have to worry about drivers not being able to see you, not dangerous at all. It's not a problem when you're going up hills, because the 1000-watt powerful motor. With an average peak power of 1800 watt, they are capable of reaching a top speed of 27 miles per hour and generating up to 95 Nm of torque. With 52-volt 20-amp-hour removable battery, it has a large capacity and long lifespan. It can efficiently support your commuting, vacation, exercise, outdoor sports, camping, shopping, etc. It can be charged both indoors and outdoors. Zox 20 has a very comfortable seat with a backrest. Especially when riding long distances, you will not find stiff shoulders, sore wrists, or butt injuries due to the seat. It is really comfortable. It's like sitting in your living room. It's very interesting that when I ride on the road, the driver gives me more room to pass than on a traditional bike. If you are interested in obtaining further information about Zox 20, please do not hesitate to contact us.